is up, everybody? All right, here we go. All right, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're heading to the driving range. Haven't been to the driving range in, honestly, well over 6 months, so you know, I'm excited to hit some balls and practice. It's one of my goals for 2025 is to get better at golf, so we're gonna try to stick to that. Oh, dude, the burbles are crazy. I don't know. Like I've said in previous videos, man, I'm ready to get them off. But there's a few other things I gotta do. Save up some money before I go get either, you know, I don't have the license for the MHD license, so I can't flash tune it myself. So I need to go take it to a tuner to get it tuned, and I'm kind of trying to decide what I want to do and who to go to for that. So everybody, just finished up a little practice over at the driving range here, man, and I think that may have been the best session at the driving range that I've ever had in my life. So that's awesome. It's my first of the new year. Gives me something to look forward to play, you know, when I'm playing actual rounds coming up here soon once the weather warms up. So super excited, man. That was awesome. But we're gonna head to the gym now. Yeah, gonna hit a little chest, triceps action, a little push day, so should be good. Weather turned out to be a little bit nicer than expected. A little windy, a little wet still on the roads, but overall, man, we're excited. Should be fun. I'm not a good golfer, so that's my goal is to eventually become a good golfer. But it's the hardest sport I've ever played. Sheesh, it is slippery, man. No traction. That's okay though. So yeah, that was fun. Like I was saying, man, two goals I had this year that I wrote down were, one, start a YouTube channel and actually, you know, post long form content like I'm doing here with this car, and share my journey with you guys with this car. And I've always wanted to do something like that, but I'm just kind of a shy guy in nature, by nature. So it's been something that kind of pushed me out of my shell, and it's been really fun to grow in that side of things. But my second thing was golf, and get good at golf. So we're gonna work on that hard this year. Love RS6s. I think that was a RS6. Not a big Audi guy. I mean, I love nice cars in general, you know, but not really big on Audis, but I do love the RS6. Beautiful car. Get my oil changed on Monday, and I got some fun upgrades coming here soon. Just ordered them yesterday, so not gonna announce them quite yet, build the suspense a little bit, but yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Should change the car significantly, so stay tuned. I don't really like following too close to people because I just got a new front bumper, repainted it, and I don't want to get rock chips on it. I'm not really gonna spend the money on PPF because I think that for one, it's pretty expensive, and I just don't think I drive the car a lot to get chips on it to begin with. So I'm gonna see how it goes over the next few months. If I start getting chips here and there, you know, maybe I'll PPF the front and a few other pieces of the car, but yeah. bit here. It's the great thing about Washington, man. Western Washington, it can be sunny 1 second and then, you know, piss and rain the next. So it's fun to have a car like this because you get the best of both worlds, you know. Get some slick roads to have some fun, lose some traction, but we get sunshine in the summer, real nice sunshine that we long all year long for, you know. So yeah, man, might have to get some rainy rooftop shots later today for the shorts, you know, for the reels, the TikToks. I'm trying to stay on top of the short content game as well, but ever since TikTok, you know, got banned or whatever, man, it's been, TikTok doesn't feel the same. It's hard to make content on there. You know, it's hard to grow a following. You know, I boosted up to like 1,000 followers on TikTok real quickly, and then it was banned pretty much in January, I think, and it's just not really been the same ever since. I'm kind of struggling to grow my platform. Same thing with Instagram. For some reason, it's hard to grow my platform there, but that's okay. YouTube's been fun. You guys are awesome, and we're almost to 100 subscribers, which is crazy, man. And didn't think I'd ever have 100 people interested in watching my videos, but here we are. Got the Urus here today. Yes, sir. Got the Vet up here. Might just park over here. As always, man, let's hop out, take a quick peek at the whip. Cool. Like I was saying, I got some plans for it with the mineral white. It just looks awesome. So, the hell is this? Got dog hair. Anyways, yeah, man, there she is. It's starting to come down, so I'm gonna hop back inside and get ready for the gym. But as always, man, I appreciate you guys for watching. If you made it this far, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We're almost to 100 subscribers, man. like I was saying, I never thought I'd get this far, and we'll see how far we can keep taking it, but I have no plans of stopping anytime soon, and I just want to keep growing and trying new things out. So as always, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.